Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried this soft, fluffy and slightly sweet Mangalore bun? So good. Look at these layers. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious Karnataka style Mangalore buns at home. I'm using 2 ripe bananas. The riper your bananas are, the more natural sweet and flavorful your buns will be. Mash the bananas really well. You want them to become nice and smooth without large pieces remaining. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps buns to become soft. Now add 1 teaspoon salt, one by 4th cup of yogurt. Give everything a real good mix until the ingredients are well combined. Now it's time to add our flour. I'm using 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Now mix it together until it starts forming a soft dough. You don't want the dough to be too hard. It should be soft and slightly sticky. If the dough feels too sticky, you can add a little more flour. But be careful not to add too much. Now I'm using my hand to mix the dough. The secret to soft Mangalore buns is to keeping the dough nice and soft. Now add 1 spoon of oil. Once the dough comes together, cover it and let it rest for 6 to 8 hours. This resting time is really important because it allows the dough to develop that beautiful texture we are looking for. Mangalore Beauty, my friend Sangeeta is here to make Mangalore buns. Let's say hi to her. Welcome to my channel. After resting, our dough is soft and ready. Divide the dough into small portions and roll each portion into smooth ball. Now, lightly dust your surface with flour. Take 1 dough ball and gently roll it out. You don't want it paper thin. Keep it slightly thick because we want that fluffy, soft center. Repeat the same process with remaining dough. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Now gently slide the rolled dough into the hot oil. As it starts cooking, gently press the top with spoon. This helps the bun puff up beautifully. Look at that. It's puffing up and turning that gorgeous golden brown color. Flip it over and cook the other side until. And look at how beautifully golden and fluffy these are. Once golden and cooked thoroughly, remove them and place it on a paper towel. Make sure your oil isn't too hot. If the oil is very hot, the outside can brown too quickly while inside remains uncooked. Now our Mangalore buns are ready. Look at that beautiful golden color. They are slightly crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy inside with the delicious banana flavor and little crunch from the cumin seeds. And you can serve these Mangalore buns with coconut chutney. This is the best comforting breakfast or evening snacks. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you soon. Thank you.